everyone, I am Tanushri Mandolia and you're welcome to SR Elite Academy. In today's video, we are going to learn about Holy Basil, commonly called as Tulsi. Tulsi's botanical name is Ocimum tenuiflorum. It's a small annual or short-lived perennial shrub which belongs to a botanical family called Ramesh-SR, also known as mint family. What exactly is a perennial shrub? Perennial shrub or perennial plants are those plants which can live more than 2 years. So depending upon the climate, Tulsi can either be a perennial shrub or an annual one. This plant is a native of India and is grown throughout Southeast Asia. Tulsi holds a great importance as a queen of herbs in Ayurveda and is considered sacred in Hinduism. Types of Tulsis. There are two most important types of Tulsis. First one is Rama Tulsi. You can identify them with their light greenish leaves, and second one is our Krishna Tulsi or Shama Tulsi, and you can identify them with their dark purplish green leaves. The other notable varieties of Tulsi includes Kapoor Tulsi, which smells like camphor, and Lemon Tulsi, which smells like lemon, Vana Tulsi, which is commonly found in Himalaya regions, and Marua Tulsi, which we can use in our cooking purposes. Health benefits of Tulsi. Tulsi offers innumerable astonishing health benefits. Benefit number 1, as an immunity booster. Tulsi is rich in vitamin C and zinc and thus acts as a natural immunity booster, keeping infections at bay. Health benefit number 2, reduces fever. Tulsi has antiviral and antibacterial properties which helps to fight infections and thus reduces fever. Health benefit number 3, reduces cold, cough and other acute respiratory disorders. Tulsi with honey and ginger is an effective remedy against cold, cough, congestion, bronchitis, influenza and asthma. Benefit number 4, good for your skin and hair. Tulsi helps in clearing out acne and can be used to treat insect bites. Also, it is rich in antioxidants that helps to prevent premature aging. The antifungal properties of Tulsi prevent the development of dandruff and clears out scalp acne and pimples. Benefit number 5, Tulsi is used in herbal toothpastes to fight bad breath, pyorrhea and other dental problems. Now it's time to learn how can we actually use Tulsi. So I'm going to tell you 4 different methods by which you can use these Tulsi in your daily lives. Method number 1, you can warm some Tulsi leaves with water and can take it on an empty stomach in morning. It will flush out the toxins of your body. It is also very effective in case of stomach worms. Method number 2, using Tulsi leaves in your tea and kadha is potentially helpful in getting relief from cold and fever. Method number 3, mix some crushed Tulsi leaves in curd and apply it on your scalp can help you out in preventing dandruff and treat scalp acne. You can also use Tulsi products which are available in market in many different forms. Herbal toothpaste. Tulsi is also used in herbal toothpaste. Tulsi drops. Tulsi drops are available in the form of concentrated liquids made up of 1 or more types of Tulsi, and these drops have to be diluted in a glass of water before consumption. Tulsi tea. Tulsi tea is also available in markets to lower down your fatigue and stress. Though consuming Tulsi can give you a number of health benefits, yet there are some side effects of Tulsi which you must look at before moving forward in this video. Tulsi is not considered suitable for pregnant women or expecting mothers. Diabetic patients who are already on medication should avoid Tulsi or consult the doctor before using it, as it can cause sugar level to fall too low. It is always advised not to chew Tulsi rather than gulp it down because it can lead to discoloration of your teeth. One should avoid overuse of Tulsi as Tulsi has lot of eugenol present in it, which can cause liver damage, nausea, diarrhea, and even convulsions. Apart from all the health benefits that Tulsi provides us, Tulsi also acts as a depolluting agent for the atmosphere and has the power of keeping our air clean. So, raising Tulsi plants help to check the proliferation of mosquitoes, flies, and other harmful insects. Therefore, we must plant Tulsi in our homes as it is no less than a panacea for all of us. Wait, the video is not finished yet. In the upcoming section, there is a quick review in the form of question answers which might be asked in your board exams or competitive exams, or are definitely gonna increase your knowledge about plants. Question number 1. What is the botanical name of Tulsi or Holy Basil? Botanical name of Tulsi is Ocimum tenuiflorum. Question number 2. What kind of plant is Tulsi? Depending on the climate, Tulsi is either a perennial shrub which lives more than 2 years or an annual shrub which live for 1 year, growing up to 1 meter in height. As Tulsi cannot handle frost, so in cold climates such as USA, it lives as an annual shrub, while in warmer climates like India, it lives as a perennial one. Question number 3. Why should we not chew Tulsi? Tulsi leaves has mercury in them, which is not good for enamel, therefore one must not chew them. When chewed, the mercury content in Tulsi gets released in our mouth, which can damage our teeth and cause discoloration. Question number 4. Why people light a diya or lamp in front of Tulsi? In Hinduism, people follow the tradition of lighting a diya in front of their deities. As Tulsi is considered as a goddess by Hindus, so a diya is lighted every day after sunset. Moreover, diya is also lighted in front of Tulsi as it provides a divine atmosphere and positivity around their homes. Question number 5. How can we take care of Tulsi? Taking care of Tulsi is not a difficult task. Some of the ways are mentioned below. First, always keep your pot aerated by loosening the soil. Second, place the Tulsi where it can get at least 6 to 10 hours of sunlight. Third, Tulsi needs to be watered at least twice in summer and once in winter. Fourth, don't make the pot overlocked, otherwise it will be a case of root rot. Fifth, in winters, light a diya beside Tulsi as it will keep it warm, and cover it with a chundri or knitted fabric to protect it from frost. Thank you for listening me carefully. I hope you would have liked this video, so please give it a big thumbs up and do comment and subscribe our channel Sarita Ramesh-SR Light Academy.